I don't start. Now you go to talk, right?
So you where they do this thing, you know fit talk. As you can see here, he's disconnecting what they call coil. These are the coils. This is the coil. As you can see, the coil with the plug. And those ones are the injectors. 4 injectors. As you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, this for station of the wiring diagram.
The one, as you see
How
there,
to test module.
it's called the module or the brain box. This is it.
ECU.
This is the ECU, engine control unit. He is removing the fish. After all, he just wants to reset it back, and you people will see what they call testing of the FISO. This is the battery, and this is the multimeter. This one is the multimeter. Now, what is holding is the key transponder. Yes, or French antenne, English transponder key. So he has already connected it. What is remaining is just to reconnect all the wires and let him test, and the currents will appear in these bobbins. This 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Now, we have to.
Now it's connecting the module. Each fish, each other. As you can see, this is called electrical engineering. You should just watch and see. It's not magic.
Now, we have to connect the bobbin back.
Now it's reconnecting the bobbin or the coil, as we said earlier. As you can see too. Yeah. Number 4. It has 4 bobbins. Now he's reconnecting the injectors. The 4 injectors. It's okay. As you can see, the 4 injectors. Now this is what they call crankshaft position sensor. It is it that ignites or that magnets the current to these 4 bobbins or these 4 coils. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect current and mass to the battery, and then he will have to fire the crankshaft to enable the current to come out to the coil. This small bulb that you see here is what they call the security light. It is it that transplants the code of the key of the transponder. This work is very, very technical. It is not a work that should go very fast. We take our time doing it. We take our time. He's checking some connections.
We have to power the dembos.
Yes. He's putting it in the coast battery current, which is written plus. Now that tester you people see there is to see the check engine light. If the tester ons, that means the brain box is okay. That means the brain box is good. Don't worry, people will see it in the minutes that is following. That is it, that he will connect the tester in the plus battery. These connections are very delicate, no mistake. Now, this is the mass, the minus battery. It's gonna connect it all. It's connecting it to the mass. You can see how the light is flashing out, in and out. This shows that it's still on code.
Now we need to power the module.
Now he will power the module. Now, as you can see, the tester is on, which means the module is okay.
It's checking it.
Yes, I said, which means the module is okay. The check engine is on, and the light has off, meaning that probably the currents will come out from this bobbin.
You receive the codes.
Yes, it has received the code. Now it's gonna scratch the crankshaft position sensor with a file, and you people will see how this current will come out. It will be amazing. Watch and see. As you can see now, people are hearing the sound. We cannot see the flash of the current exactly. People can see it. That is just a little flash of it. It's coming out very little. You must be attentive to watch the current. Now you can flash them. Voila. As people can see, this is the current coming out. People can see it. This shows that the current is coming out. Yes, that's the current coming out. Any doubts, let him come and put it on so that you feel the shocking. You can see how it's filing it.
Okay.
The injectors too are opening. That means all the connections are okay. We have a very great electrician here in Kayabasi.
Fuck you, man.
We have a very great, this is our store in fact. So anybody interested, let him come at Jardin d'Enfants, Kayabasi. So that you should do him the faisceau of any car, because we have the schema. Yes, because we have the schema. It is our brother Nabese having everything here. Leave him, is an electrician, don't worry. All man get close. I beg, never enter, even though you don't come out small. Okay, this is the end.